guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Vien. Today, I'm going to show you a simple dish called curry fish balls. Alright, today I'm going to show you a little easy way just to clean out your fridge, whatever you have in your fridge, okay? I got some fish balls here, some mushroom puff balls, some beef balls, and some full crab sticks, okay? I'm going to make a curry fish balls with them. I got some coconut milk, evaporated milk, garlic, paprika, curry powder, and turmeric powder, okay? Alright. Okay, once the pan gets a little bit hot there, guys, just add some oil in. Oil, some garlic. Okay, fry some of that garlic there. Minced garlic, okay? Dump in. You don't want to move the crab pieces around too much because they're going to fall apart, okay? So just keep them aside. Okay, first of all, add some curry powder. My bad. Some curry powder. Get that in there. Some turmeric. Okay. Okay, now coconut milk. Half can of coconut milk. Evaporated milk. Add a little bit of paprika for color, for a little redness to it. That's what I do. Taste it. Go. Add more curry powder. It's kind of bland. I really taste the curry. Flavorful. I let it sit for about simmering for about 25 minutes with that nice curry sauce. And this is how it looks at the end, okay? That is your finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's very simple. Look at that. Juicy. Shit's juicy.